Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode. Imagine this. You're staring at your textbook, highlighter in hand, ready to conquer your study session. You feel prepared, but deep down, you wonder if there's a more effective way to retain all this information. But what if I told you there's a better way? A method that not only helps you remember, but also understand the material deeply. Today, I'm diving into the secret sauce of effective learning, active recall. This technique has transformed the way students study and can do the same for you. So, what is active recall? You might be wondering how it differs from traditional study methods. It's all about pulling information from your memory without any hints. This means actively engaging with the material rather than passively reading it. Instead of just reading and highlighting, you challenge yourself to remember the material. This active engagement is what makes the information stick. Think of it like flexing your brain muscles. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, active recall strengthens your memory. Let me share a story with you. This is a personal journey that highlights the power of active recall. Once upon a time, I was struggling academically. My grades were slipping, and I felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of material I needed to learn. A health issue had forced me to stop rowing crew, and my grades were slipping. It was a tough time, and I knew I needed to find a new way to study. Determined to turn things around, I experimented with different learning techniques. I tried everything from mind maps to flashcards, but nothing seemed to work. And that's when I discovered the magic of active recall. It was a game changer for me, and it can be for you too. Here's how it works. Imagine you're studying neuron anatomy. Instead of just looking at diagrams, you actively engage with the material. Instead of just looking at diagrams, try redrawing them from memory. This forces your brain to retrieve the information, making it stick. Erase your clay figures drawing and recreate it from scratch. This process of retrieval practice is what makes active recall so powerful. This forces your brain to retrieve the information, making it stick. The more you practice, the better you get at recalling the information. Another example, say you're tackling complex math proofs. These can be particularly challenging, but active recall can help. After studying, close your book and rewrite the proofs from memory. This not only helps you remember the steps, but also understand the underlying concepts. It might be challenging at first, but trust me, it's incredibly effective. The struggle is part of the learning process. Active recall isn't just about memorization. It's about understanding and retaining information. It's a holistic approach to learning. By actively engaging with the material, you deepen your comprehension and boost your long-term memory. But wait, there's more. There's another technique that pairs perfectly with active recall. To make active recall even more powerful, mix it up with spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing the material at increasing intervals. This means reviewing the material at increasing intervals. Start with a day, then a week, then a month. This spaced repetition helps reinforce the information in your memory. Start with a day, then a week, then a month. This method ensures that the information stays fresh in your mind over a longer period. This combination is like a superpower for your brain. Together, active recall and spaced repetition can significantly enhance your learning efficiency. Let's bring this all together. Imagine our clay figure steadily improving grades, gaining confidence, and mastering subjects, all thanks to active recall and spaced repetition. Picture our clay figure, steadily improving grades, gaining confidence, and mastering subjects, all thanks to active recall. It's a transformative approach to learning. It's not just a study technique, it's a game changer. It can turn your academic journey around just like it did for me. So next time you sit down to study, put away the highlighter and give active recall a try. Challenge yourself to remember and understand the material. You'll be amazed at how much more you can remember and understand. The results will speak for themselves, and who knows, you might just unlock your full academic potential. The possibilities are endless when you harness the power of active recall. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this journey into active recall as enlightening as I did. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy studying and see you next time.